In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project in Wrike. We'll use the Quick Create button, which is the fastest way to spin up a new project from anywhere in your workspace. Whether you're in a dashboard, a task view, or browsing a space, this method keeps you moving without breaking your flow. Start by locating the plus icon in the top right corner of your Wrike workspace. This small plus button is your Quick Create launcher. A single click opens a concise menu designed for speed so you don't have to navigate through multiple screens or settings. From the menu that appears, choose Project. This tells Wrike you want a full project container, not just a single task or a folder. If you're unsure, remember, a project is best when you need a defined start and end, owners, and a place to organize related tasks under one objective. Next, give your project a clear descriptive name. Wrike allows up to 100 characters, which is plenty for a meaningful title. Avoid symbols like commas, semicolons, forward slashes, or backslashes, as these can interfere with search, sorting, and some integrations. A helpful tip is to include a short keyword for the client, team, or initiative and a time frame if relevant, so your project is easy to find later. Now choose a location. This is where the project will live, inside a specific space, an existing folder, or even within another project. Picking the right location keeps your workspace organized and ensures the right people can find and access the project based on your team's structure and permissions. If your organization uses spaces for departments or clients, select the one that matches the project's audience. You can always move the project later if your structure evolves. Set the start and due dates. These dates define the project's timeline, power your calendars and workload views, and help stakeholders understand when work is expected to begin and finish. Choose realistic dates that reflect actual constraints, and remember that accurate dates make reporting and planning much more reliable. Select the project owners. Owners are accountable for the project's progress and will receive key notifications. Pick the people who will drive the work forward and coordinate across teams. This helps clarify responsibility from day one and reduces confusion later. When everything looks good, click Create. Wrike will instantly generate your project in the chosen location, applying the name, timeline, and owners you set. That's it, your project is ready to go, and you can refine details anytime as plans evolve. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to create a project in Wrike using the Quick Create button.